Abstract algebra. Semi-group. This is the definition of semi-group. Group. This is the definition of group. Definition of ring. And these are examples of ring. These are different kind of ring. Integral domain. This is a definition. Field. These are some examples. So in ring, there are two operations, plus and multiply. The third is scale field division ring. These are the definition. Metric ring, power series and polynomial ring. These are definition. These are some example. And vector space. These are example. Vector space. So these are some group. Definition of group. Group ring. Semi-group definition. These are ring, field, and that some application of abstract algebra for physics. And these are some useful symbols in the abstract algebra. Modular, probably later on we will mention about the modular. These are what it means. A, B, mod, N. This is what it means. Homomorphism definition. So abstract algebra action is a self-evident truth, and these are the definition of semi-group, group, ring, field, and some other structures or object, abstract algebra object or the structure, like idea and some other objects. We start with the set theory. These are about set, union, intersection, Cartesian product, and these are mapping, set mapping, definition of mapping, mapping by injection, composition, and mapping one-to-one mapping. And AS is called symmetric group. Symmetric group. These are the symmetric group. One-to-one mapping. Some more property. And integrals is a well-ordered principle, Euclidean algorithm, and well-ordered principle, Euclidean algorithm. Definition. More definition. Relative prime. Relative prime. More theorem. Mathematical induction is P1, Pk, then K plus 1, and complex number is a complex number, A plus Bi. some lemon definition of the absolute value of complex number, triangle inequality, the Morpheus theorem about the complex number, group. Let's come to group definition, subgroup, homomorphism theorem, direct product, abelian group is commutative property. So these are symmetric group is there's a finite group. So the definition of the group, some simple property like this. Subgroup, definition of subgroup, trivial subgroup, proper subgroup is not proper subgroup is don't contain its subgroup itself. Cyclic subgroup, this is Lagrange theorem. More group, more theorem, homomorphism, and the normal subgroup. Some definition of isomorphism, automorphism, some definition, automorphism, isomorphism, homomorphism, some definition, kernel definition, some example, more example. This is Philip Kernel, some information about him. Vector group, normal subgroup, some theorem about the finite group C over N, Cauchy homomorphism theorem, first homomorphism theorem, second and third, Cauchy theorem,